What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Hyatt Grand Cypress Resort. This place is huge. 779 rooms. It's like 28 stories tall. It's massive. You have like a whole lake. You can kayak right behind me. You even have like a old Western village that you can go and like have events and everything. It's a pretty cool vibe. But yeah, super big. Honestly, it has one of the nicest pool areas I ever seen. Like the grotto and the waterfalls are so amazing. It has like 12 waterfalls. Insane guys. We're gonna head on inside to the Hyatt Grand Cypress and show you. But I will say, guys, this place is $52 for valet parking, $37 for normal parking, self parking, and the resort fees are $50 a night. So just letting you know, it's not cheap. A lot of resort fees, a lot of different things. It is pet friendly, but the pool area, I gotta show you guys that. It's amazing. Beautiful property though, highly recommend it. So yeah, they even have like a cool little walking path over here. Got all these trees and like I said, the lagoon, you can kayak or whatever you want. Come over here, they got like a little Western town for events. I mean, this place guts it all, but it's not cheap. Resort fees, very nice, 4-star hotel. But yeah, let's head on inside the Grand Cypress. And by the way, guys, does anyone know what a cypress is, a Grand Cypress? I feel like it's like a big alien creature in the sky, you know, just comes crashing buildings. That's just Godzilla. And like I was saying, guys, this property is probably definitely one of my favorites in Orlando. It's just so beautiful, like the landscape, everything's so perfect. But that grotto, the pool area is just impressive. So I'm so excited to show you guys that. But let's head on in to Grand Cypress. All right, we are walking in to the Hyatt Grand Cypress. Got some artwork out here. This is valet. So you walk in, this is crazy. This place is like 28 stories tall, so here we go. Very impressive. Wow. Look at that. So tall. But yeah, the landscaping is exactly what I was talking about, guys. They have water features running all through here. Very beautiful. You have a bar over here to the left. I just love how they really take care of the property, like as far as landscaping and everything. Look at this. This is just a staircase. It's like some kind of private event going on. Over here you have a clothing store. You can get you some shoes, whatever you want. Shirts. Pretty much have it all. Then you got a Starbucks over here. And they have a sushi bar restaurant called the Lake House. Very nice. Wow. Like the staircase. Very fancy. Another bar down there. You walk in, you turn right, they have guest services over here. Pretty simple. I think you walk down here and this is where they have the spa and wellness center. Smells really good. You got views all outside. Look at this. Gorgeous gorgeous property. I like this texture. The wall is like a wave. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, this is the wellness center. I don't think it's open right now. It smells really good. Got a nice little seating area by guest services, and they got a bird. There he is. Just chilling. Meet Merlot. Is that how you say it? Merlot? Merlot? Is that your name, buddy? Merlot? Merlot? Which they look like they have something set up for Women's History Month. They're gonna have a chef here. That's pretty cool. There's some games. This is the bar. And guys, I'm just doing a fast walkthrough, trying to show you everything that I can. But yeah, if you come down here, I'm pretty sure I was here like 4 years ago. I think the convention, is the convention center? I think it's right down here. Yeah. So walk down there and show you. Not sure what this is. Just a little cool sign. It's a kind of kitchen. But yeah, let's walk down the escalator. Check it out. And we made it. Very nice. I like the ceiling. Skylight. Very cool. But yeah, this convention center is massive. Pretty much everything you need. I think they're having some kind of meeting or something over there, so don't want to go and interrupt them. But yeah, let's head back up. And I will say, this place is a very big hotel, resort, whatever you want to call it. I just toured the Gaylord Palms. That was overwhelming. Now this is, I can handle this more. This is still a big resort, 779 rooms, but the Gaylord was like 1,719 or something like that. That's just way too much. Like, I don't know, I feel like I can cover this a lot easier for you guys. But if you want to check out that video, I'll post it right after you watch all this video. I'll post it at the end of the video, so yeah. Do not look down. You're scared of heights. Wow. Look at this. 28 floors. Dang. Beautiful view of Orlando though from up here. Look at this, you guys. You can see the Orlando Eye, Icon Park, everything. This is beautiful. Be amazing to come up here and probably could watch the fireworks, honestly. Like I said though, just do not look down. This place is huge. More tall than anything. Oh look, out this window, Disney Springs. Disney Springs is literally right there. You can see the hot air balloon. You look over here in the distance, Hollywood Studios. You can see the Swan and Dolphin. You can see Tower of Terror over there. And down here is the pool. Wow, this is a beautiful resort. Very nice. Like I said, just don't look down. Just don't look down. very nice though. But what I'll probably do, I think I covered everything. I'm not sure. Maybe besides the fitness center, I'll try to find that, show you guys. But we'll go down and show you this amazing pool area, this grotto. This is why I came. It's impressive. It's amazing. All right, guys. All right, let's head out here to the pool. Woo! So nice today. Very beautiful. We have a fire feature right here. I just love all the water, you know? Such a nice property. Gorgeous. Like they really take care of it. With all the plants and flowers. Just sit out here, have you some wine. They have a lot of walking paths here. I like that too, you know? Come out in the morning, get you some cardio in.
She's always wanted to come to New Orleans.
It's just very relaxing. The pool hours are 7 to 10. Fitness center's down here, so we're gonna check that out, but I'm gonna show you all this first. Just a little bit how the property is. They have a lot of bridges, a lot of cool like artwork. It's like a lot of like different culture kind of statues. Buddha. I got a horse up there. Hey bud, what's your name? I don't know his name. It's a lot of cool statues. So beautiful. Wow. Definitely can get lost though. It's turtle. Looks like they have a bar or restaurant on top of the grotto. That's crazy. And I hope I'm doing this place justice. Like I said, it's insane. Look at this. Look at this. That's like a stone like wall with vines. It's just a beautiful property. Just take it all in, you know? Just don't feel real. It's like one of those places like you see on a calendar, you know? The pool is massive. 800,000 gallons. Start showing you guys that, and the fitness center. It's just stunning. This right here is just one section of the pool. Come down here. It's just beautiful. Look at this. Some ducks in the pool. Just chilling. Got a helicopter up there. It's such a beautiful day though. It really is. And I'm not gonna lie guys, I came here probably 4 years ago, something like that. Ever since I wanted to come back, so that's why I wanted to do this tour. I just want to take you guys with me. Like, hey, you know, I'm not professional at this stuff. I'm just showing you guys what I'm seeing. I hope you enjoy the video. But yeah, if you will, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I just go all around Orlando and try to show you guys all the cool places that you can stay. This ain't far from Disney. You can take the shuttle from here to the Disney parks, and it's not very far, so highly recommend it. Only thing that's bad about the place, the resort fees, $50 a day, and parking's kind of steep too. But sometimes out of the year, you know, it's a little cheaper. So I'll look into that. And this is one of my top 5 resorts, definitely in Orlando. It's beautiful. All right, let's head on down to this amazing grotto. It is beautiful. Wow. I'm sure this video does not do this place justice, how nice this property is. This is not even the front of it. There's so many different amazing views here. You even have like a hot tub right over here with a waterfall. Pretty crazy. All right, walk through here. I just love the sound of the water, you know, so relaxing. Come up here, you got the fitness center right here, and then you got a hot tub right next to it. We're inside the grotto right now. This place is amazing. This is a huge gym too. Thank you. It's a really nice gym. Have pretty much everything you need. Nice equipment. Definitely one of the bigger hotel gyms that I ever seen. I like it because they got a lot of weights instead of cardio machines, you know. A lot of places just overdo the cardio machines, but this is very nice. Come out of the fitness center. This grotto is just so impressive. You know I'm definitely going to be getting in here. This is gorgeous. Honestly, guys, I would stay at this place just for this grotto. Like, I mean, this is insane. I feel like I'm like on one of those like Adam Sandler movies or something. So gorgeous. Like I said, that's the hot tub. Come up here. You got this like nice bridge on each side of you. Waterfalls. It's just so stunning. It really is. If you guys are vacationing to Orlando, highly recommend this place. Come down the bridge, down the stairs. You can walk and see. Right here is the restroom. Right through here. Pretty easy. I like the layout, and this takes you right back around to the pool on the back side. But let's continue to go this way. They actually have a slide over here. This will be fun. Another part of the grotto. Another waterfall. But yeah, the slide literally goes all the way up there on top. And on the back side over here is the lake where you can kayak and everything. They got a golf course. So that's pretty cool. Views are just everywhere. It's just so impressive. But look at this. That is insane. So beautiful. Like, now you guys see this as like one of my favorite pools and one of my favorite places in Orlando just because of this. I'm gonna walk over here and I'll show you guys. They have like over this way. They have some food, get you some beverages, some drinks. Place is called On the Rocks. Nice. Imagine just sitting out here. They got a massive, massive fire pit. And the lake's right down here. The marina's right down here. You got boat rentals. You got a whole entire beach back here. It's man-made, of course, but it's just stunning. Get on these, pedal them. It's like a water bike. Guys, this place is truly beautiful. Let's come out here, evening or sunset time. Just take it all in, you know. Got you some hammocks over here in the distance. Beautiful property. Stunning. I'm just trying to let you guys take in all the sounds, the water, the vibe. This grotto. How many times in this video I'm going to say grotto? I'm not sure. This has to be like one of the biggest pools in Orlando. All right, guys, I think that's going to be it for today's video from the Hyatt Grand Cypress. I hope you enjoyed it. This place is beautiful. If you're in the Orlando area, I highly recommend it. Yes, it got $50 resort fees, $37 parking, $52 valet parking. But if you can afford it or just get a day pass, definitely come here and check this place out, especially for this grotto. This pool area is stunning. But yeah, if you guys will, give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment below if you want me to go anywhere else. In Orlando, what's your favorite resort? I'm curious. But yeah, until next time, guys, now it's time to go back to reality.